Let's learn some rain vocabulary. It's drizzling means very light rain. It's raining. It's normal rain. It's pouring means heavy rain. It's lashing means intense rain. It's bucketing down means extremely intense rain. Or to get soaked or drenched means to get completely wet in rain. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.